Hey guys, welcome back to PC Tech Dad. First thing I want to do is apologize. I have not been creating content. I've been very busy with 4 kids. Between that and trying to get my computer repair business to work, it has been taking a lot of energy and time, so I do want to get that out of the way. I do plan on being a lot more active and being able to actually record more. Let's go ahead and talk about this build that I have going on. Alright, so the build that I have here is a i3 6100 with 16 gigs of RAM, 500 watt power supply. I am planning on adding a 500 gigabyte M.2 SSD drive, and here, which arrived today, was the GTX 1060 3 gigabyte model. Alright, so let's go ahead and open this up. Now for the motherboard and CPU combo, I paid $100. I paid $35 for the 16 gigs of DDR3 memory. I paid $25 for the power supply. From Amazon, I bought the M.2 drive, which is $50 plus tax. And this graphics card, I mean, right now you're seeing it for about $200. I was able to snag this up for $160 or $70, somewhere around there. It's actually looking in really good condition. It looks like it's never been opened. I'm just gonna wipe it down so that way I can get rid of any dust or anything, and I'm gonna be installing the SSD, the graphics card, and really just turning on the system for the first time and seeing, making sure everything powers up. SSD I have here, 512 gigabytes of space. Let's go ahead and open this up. Looks like the SSD was just floating around. I am also not getting M.2 screw, which is kind of a weird thing, but I believe I have the screws for that. So lucky for me, I actually have extra M.2 screws. All right, so I have everything plugged in, ready to go. All right, so CPU temperature is a little higher than what I would like it to be. The only thing I have to do now is obviously install Windows, get everything prepped up here, and just see how it works with some benchmarks. So there you have it, guys. $400 for this kind of performance with an i3 6100, GTX 1063 gigabytes, 16 gigs of RAM, and we're getting 100 plus FPS on every esports title, and even in the AAA titles we're getting about 60 FPS, maybe a little bit more depending on the game. But even Call of Duty was getting 60 FPS plus, and it was doing amazingly. So I'm ready to post this up on my local market, get it to a good home, and yeah, so I'm out.